Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we'll be breaking down System.io's pricing plans, what they cost, and what you get with each tier, and which plan might be right for you depending on your business stage. If you're building funnels, email lists, courses, or just trying to keep your marketing tools simple and affordable, this comparison should help you decide. So System.io currently offers 4 pricing tiers. They have a forever free plan and 3 paid plans called Startup, Webinar, and Unlimited. You can choose to pay monthly or get a discounted if you decide to pay yearly. So let's start with the free plan. Now this is not a trial, it's forever free, as long as you stay within the limits. So what you get with this free plan, you get 2,000 contacts you can email, unlimited email sends. That means you aren't charged per email send, just limited by your contact cap. You get free sales funnels with up to 10 steps each, 1 blog with unlimited posts, 1 online course with unlimited students, basic automation and tagging options, and integration with payment processes like Stripe or PayPal, no platform transaction fees. Now this plan isn't just a free trial, you can actually run a basic funnel, send broadcasts, and even sell 1 product with it. It's a great starting point if you're just testing the concepts or building your first list. Next we have the startup plan, which is roughly around $17 per month when billed monthly. Now this tier is for small businesses and growing creators who need more capacity. So with this plan, you get contacts bumped up to 5,000, 10 sales funnels instead of 3, 5 courses and 5 blogs, so you can expand content and programs, more automation rules and workflows, and you also get multiple custom domains and free migration support if you're moving from another platform. This plan is often where creators start to see real operational capacity. If you're moving beyond 2,000 contacts or need multiple funnels and courses, it's probably worth stepping up to this plan. Okay, next we have the webinar plan, which sits in its mid-tier at $47 per month. Now this tier includes everything in the starter plan, plus contacts up to 10,000, more funnels and more funnel steps. Think 50 funnels with hundreds of steps. Evergreen webinar features. You can set up automated always-on webinars as part of your funnel system, greater automation, more blogs and courses, and you also get more custom domains. If your business model depends on webinars for lead generation or sales, this tier unlocks tools that make these workflows much easier, especially automated or evergreen webinar funnels. And finally, we have the unlimited plan. Now this plan costs you around $97 per month. This is the most advanced tier and gives you unlimited contacts, unlimited funnels, courses, blogs, webinars, and automation rules, priority support, and sometimes extras like one-on-one Kickstart coaching sessions and full migration support. This plan removes caps entirely. It's especially useful for agencies, large email lists, or businesses with complex automated funnels and multiple product lines. You're not hitting limits on contacts or funnels, which means you can scale without worrying about bumping into paid restrictions. Also, paying yearly can save you roughly around 2 months worth of fees on paid plans. Now it's a really practical way to reduce costs while locking into your stack for the year rather than month-to-month upgrades. To wrap things up, System.io's pricing is structured to grow with your business, to a great usable free tier to a fully scaled unlimited tier with no caps. The right plan for you depends on your contact list size, need for automations and webinars, or whether you plan to run multiple funnels or course offerings. Okay, so that pretty much does it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.